If your morning shave feels like sandpaper diplomacy, it's time to recruit sharper allies. In this video to the best Braun Shavers, we slice through specs, buzzwords, and beard myths to find smooth results with fewer passes. From travel-ready foils to waterproof workhorses with sonic wizardry, we rounded up models that pamper skin, crush stubble, and sip battery. Whether you chase a boardroom polish or weekend stubble control, consider this your shortcut to glide, comfort, and grins every single morning. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Braun Series 5, our pick for best budget Braun Shaver. If you want a clean, fast shave without the premium price tag, Braun Series 5 is your budget-friendly ace. It's built for everyday reliability and skin comfort, so you spend less time fussing and more time looking sharp. 3 flexible blades adapt to your contours, hugging jawlines and neck curves to cut close while staying kind to your skin. When you need extra oomph, switch from standard to turbo mode and let the shaver rip through stubble with up to 25,500 cutting actions per second. Translation: fewer passes, less irritation, more you getting on with your day. Cleanup is blissfully simple. The easy clean design lets water rinse through the head without taking anything apart, because your routine shouldn't include tiny parts on the bathroom counter. Prefer options? Go wet and dry. Use it with gel in the shower or straight on dry skin. The Series 5 keeps pace either way. Engineered in Germany and built to last, it runs up to 50 minutes on the lithium-ion battery, plenty for a week of quick shaves, then recharges for the next round. Lightweight, dependable, and comfortable, it's the kind of tool you won't overthink because it just works. If you're after a wallet-smart shaver that delivers a close, comfy finish every day, the Braun Series 5 is the no-drama choice. Number 4. Braun Series 6, our pick for best Braun Shaver with SmartCare Cleaning Dock. If you want a calm, close shave without angry skin, the Braun Series 6 shows up like a steady-handed barber on a deadline. You get SensoFlex, a dermatologically tested swivel head, paired with SensoFoil blades to ease up on pressure and treat sensitive skin kindly, even along tricky jawlines and the hollow under your nose. AutoSense Tech listens to your beard in real time, dialing power up or down so you capture more hair in fewer passes. You're not here to babysit a razor, and you don't have to. Drop it into the SmartCare Cleaning Dock and it handles the icky stuff, cleaning, lubricating, and charging. So your shaver feels fresh every day with zero effort from you. The lithium-ion battery delivers up to about 3 weeks of shaves, and when you're racing the clock, a quick 5-minute top-up buys you a full shave. Your routine, your rules. Go dry for speed, lather up with foam or gel, or take it into the shower. The Series 6 is 100% waterproof and fully cordless, so it fits your life instead of the other way around. Want comfort, consistency, and fewer passes? You'll like how this shaver treats your face and love how the SmartCare dock treats your time. Still searching for the perfect Braun shaver? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Braun Series 9 Pro, our pick for best Braun shaver with ProLift trimmer. If you want a shave that feels indulgent but takes less time than your coffee brews, the Braun Series 9 Pro is your daily win. You're getting a flexible pro head that hugs every contour and tackles 1, 3, or 7-day growth. So yes, both Forgot to Shave Monday and Weekend Lumberjack are covered. The ProLift trimmer lifts and slices those flat-lying troublemakers, while Sonic technology helps you finish up to 10% faster, which is code for out the door sooner. You like things clean and effortless? The 5-in-1 Clean and Charge station does the boring bits: charging, hygienic cleaning, lubricating, and drying, so the shaver feels like new without you lifting more than a finger. Battery anxiety isn't invited either. The rechargeable cell lasts longer, and if you're racing the clock, a 5-minute quick charge buys you a full shave. Prefer foam, gel, or shower speed runs? Go for it. This razor is 100% waterproof for wet or dry use, so your routine fits your mood, not the other way around. And because details matter, you'll appreciate how the Pro Head navigates tricky zones: jawline, under the nose, along the neck, without drama. You want closeness without irritation, speed without fuss, and a shaver that shows up like a well-trained wingman. The Braun Series 9 Pro brings the premium experience to your everyday, so your face feels smooth, your sink stays tidy, and your morning gets an upgrade. Number 2. Braun Series 9, our pick for best Braun shaver for close shave. If you're tired of negotiating with stubborn stubble, the Braun Series 9 is your fast-talking closer, smooth, efficient, and always on your side. You'll feel the glide right away. Synchrosonic tech vibrates 10,000 times per minute to reduce drag, while the protective skin guard calms sensitive spots so you don't walk out feeling over-exfoliated. 4 shaving elements plus a precision cutter team up with OptiFoil to grab more hair in fewer passes, so your morning routine stops feeling like overtime. The 10D Flex Head tracks your jawline, chin, and neck like it's reading a map, keeping contact even in the tricky zones. You're in control without thinking about it. AutoSense listens to your beard density and dials power up or down automatically. The LED display keeps you in the know on battery level, hygiene status, and travel lock, perfect for tossing it in your bag without any surprise buzzes. Go wet or dry, in the mirror or in the shower, it's fully waterproof and built for your routine, not the other way around. A powerful lithium-ion battery delivers up to 60 minutes on a 1-hour charge, and the 5-minute quick charge bails you out when you're racing the clock. Bottom line, you get a close, comfortable shave that respects your skin and your schedule. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Braun Series 9 Pro Plus, our pick for best Braun shaver overall. If you want your morning to run smoother than your jawline, the Braun Series 9 Pro Plus is your secret weapon. Click on the Pro Comfort Head with Easy Click, and you'll prep like a pro, gently lifting and releasing those sneak under the skin hairs so the shave starts easy and ends closer. 5 synchronized cutting elements do the hustle so you don't have to. Whether you're rocking a 1, 3, or 7-day beard, it mows through growth with fewer strokes and less irritation, leaving your skin calm and your schedule intact. Prefer options? Go dry for speed or take it in the shower. This shaver is 100% waterproof and unfazed by your routine. The accessories earn their suitcase space. The 6-in-1 SmartCare Center cleans, lubricates, and dries at the push of a button, so your blades stay in prime form without the fiddly upkeep. The power case doubles as a travel charger, delivering up to 60 minutes of extra shaving when outlets are scarce. And with the shaver's own lithium-ion battery offering up to 60 minutes per charge, you're covered for home, hotel, and everything in between. Titanium-coated components shrug off corrosion, the build feels premium, and the results speak for themselves. If you're after closer, faster, kinder to skin shaves with zero drama, this is the top of Braun's lineup for a reason. Woo! We made it. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best Braun shaver. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which Braun shaver you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.